Just to review fill, fill to fill in a shape needs to come before the shape it's applying to and will apply to all the shapes that follow until you use a different fill. So again, fill, you can go up to the color selector. You can grab the color, highlight Command-C to copy or use the copy button, paste it in, and now we have a purple triangle. And again, all the shapes that follow will have that same fill applied. If you want a different fill, simply put another fill above the shape. So I'm going to go up to color selector again, get my color. You can have purple triangle, green square. Yay! Okay, if you want to not have that outline around a shape, the command is noStroke, and noStroke doesn't take any parameters. You see the outline is gone. However, it's important to remember, if I make a line now from 0, 0, 500, 500, it's not going to show up. Oh my gosh, why, you ask? Because I have no stroke, and a line is essentially just a stroke with no shape associated. So to turn stroke back on, you need to use the stroke function. And again, stroke is the color of the line or outline. And stroke weight is the thickness. So this will just give us that automatic 1 pixel thick line, and if I want to make it larger, I would use the stroke weight command. And there it is. Now, so this pink line goes all the way over the top of our green square because this line follows the triangle and the rectangle. If I want it to be underneath, I'm going to highlight this, Command X to cut, and put it before, and processing will draw these functions first, and then the triangle, and then the rectangle. So it'll look like it's underneath the green square right now. You can also use stroke and stroke weight to change the outlines of shapes. So if I, before my noStroke here, make another shape, that circle will have that same style, the stroke and stroke weight that I applied up here. And the other final command is noFill. If I want just the circle to just have this pink outline, but to be transparent so I can see through the rest of it, that's noFill with no parameters. And then you've got just the outline of the circle. And noFill is turned back on by fill here. If I took fill, will turn off the noFill. If I didn't have this, here, this is a trick. If you comment, put the comment symbols in front of a function, it will comment it out so I can just, instead of deleting it and having to retype it later, it won't apply. So now you can see the triangle is gone because it has no stroke and no fill, so that's no triangle. So if you want a shape to show up, at least it either has to have a fill or a stroke.